Hello and welcome to another video. Today we are going to talk about this amazing website that is called Rent a Friend, where you can find friends to rent. Here you can see people are using rentafriend.com for all kind of activities, introduce you to people, baking and cooking, playing sports, museum, wine tasting, okay, going to bar, clubbing, bowling, and a lot of other things. Okay, so how it works, you have to write the location. For example, it is suggesting Islamabad. Okay, I will write Islamabad here, and here I can select it. From here you can select what kind of friend do you want, male friends or female or all friends, and then search. Okay, here I can find a list of friends and a little bit detail about them. For example, if we take this Saud, he is writing that I'm free. Okay, so here you can find the details, their name, age, location, height, average. Okay, so eyes are brown, hairs are black. What type of languages they speak. Okay, activities I'm available for, more information about them, and you can join the website to contact them. Okay, so you can see join the world's largest rent a friend website and get instant access to every friend on site, and you can pay them by these payment options, and that's how you can rent a friend and take them to wherever you want to. That's it for today. Like the video and subscribe the channel to keep yourself up to date.